Have you ever wondered why some people achieve greatness while others only dream about it? Let's delve into the hidden secret that separates the doers from the dreamers. It's not sheer luck or extraordinary talent, it's something more fundamental, more powerful. It's discipline. It's the invisible force that drives success. Discipline. It's not just a word, it's the core of all triumphs. Today, we tear down everything you thought you knew about discipline. Every skyscraper starts with a solid foundation, and so does discipline. It begins with a commitment, a pledge to yourself that you won't negotiate with. This commitment is often a routine that sets the stage for the rest of your day. It's the alarm clock ringing before sunrise, the morning run in the crisp dawn air, the quiet hours spent with a book when the world is still asleep. Take the example of Tim Cook, Apple's CEO. He's known for starting his day at 3:45 in the morning. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, who swears by her morning meditation routine. These highly successful individuals understand that discipline isn't about grand gestures. It's about the small daily routines that build over time, like bricks in a wall. Imagine discipline as a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. The more you stick to your routine, the easier it becomes. But it's not always going to be easy. There will be days when the bed feels too comfortable, when the weather is too cold for a run, when the world's distractions seem too tempting. That's when discipline really comes into play. It's about making the hard choice, not the comfortable one. It's about choosing the path that leads to growth, not the one that promises instant gratification. Discipline is about making the hard choice to build a strong foundation for success. Success is not a one-time event. It's the result of daily habits. Highly disciplined individuals know this, and they practice it relentlessly. They understand that it's the little things they do every day that have the most significant impact on their lives. Let's take a closer look. Highly disciplined individuals don't just set goals, they break them down into manageable chunks. They focus on small daily actions that, over time, lead to the achievement of these goals. They know that the journey to success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. They also understand the power of consistency. They don't aim for perfection, they aim for progress. They don't let mistakes or setbacks derail them. Instead, they learn from them, adjust their approach, and keep moving forward. Another key habit of highly disciplined individuals is that they prioritize their time. They treat every moment like precious currency, investing it wisely in activities that contribute to their long-term goals. They eliminate distractions and avoid time-wasting activities, understanding that every minute lost is a minute they can't get back. Moreover, they practice self-care. They recognize that their bodies and minds are their most valuable assets, so they take care of them. They eat healthy, exercise regularly, and ensure they get enough rest. They understand that they can't perform at their best if they're not feeling their best. So, if you're striving for success, start by examining your daily habits. Are they leading you towards your goals or away from them? Remember, it's not about what you do once in a while, it's about what you do consistently. Discipline is a mental game, it's about mastering your mind. It's about understanding that the mind is like a muscle, and just like any other muscle, it needs to be exercised to grow stronger. So what's the first exercise in this mental gym? It's willpower. Willpower is the ability to resist short-term temptations in order to meet long-term goals. It's the force that keeps you going when all you want to do is quit. It's the silent cheerleader inside you, urging you to push past your limits to reach for the stars. Next, we have delayed gratification. This is the practice of foregoing an immediate pleasure or reward in the hope of obtaining a more valuable and lasting reward in the future. It's the ability to say no to that piece of chocolate cake because you're committed to a healthier lifestyle. It's the power to resist the allure of a night out with friends because you have a project to complete. Finally, we have resilience. The ability to bounce back from adversity, to keep going despite setbacks. It's the refusal to let failure define you. It's the determination to rise every time you fall, to learn from every mistake, to view every setback as a setup for a comeback. These are the psychological tools you need to master discipline. It's not easy, but nothing worth having ever is. Remember, discipline is the art of choosing the long-term reward over the instant gratification. Let's look at some real-world examples of discipline in action. Consider Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX and Tesla. His work ethic is legendary, often clocking in more than 80 hours a week. It's not just about the hours, but about his unwavering focus on his goals, a testament to his discipline. Next, Let's talk about Serena Williams, one of the greatest athletes of our time. From a young age, she committed herself to rigorous training, sometimes practicing until she could barely stand. Her discipline, both on and off the court, has led her to an astounding 23 Grand Slam singles titles. And how can we forget about Beyoncé Knowles-Carter? Beyoncé's legendary performances are a testament to her unwavering discipline, a trait that has positioned her as one of the most iconic performers of our time. Here are 3 key ways she practices discipline to create her incredible shows. Rigorous rehearsal regimen. Beyoncé is renowned for her intensive rehearsal schedules. Before major performances or tours, she engages in months of meticulous rehearsals. This isn't just about perfecting the steps or the notes, it's a full-bodied commitment. She immerses herself entirely, ensuring every movement, every note, and every expression is honed to perfection. Beyoncé's discipline in rehearsal is about pushing boundaries. She rehearses not until she gets it right, but until she can't get it wrong. This relentless pursuit of excellence is palpable in every electrifying performance she delivers. Finally, look at Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world. He attributes his success to reading 500 pages every day, a habit he's maintained for decades. This disciplined approach to constant learning has been key to his phenomenal success. These individuals show us that discipline is the common denominator of success. Discipline is a muscle, and like any muscle, it can be strengthened. It's not some inborn trait that you either have or don't. It's a skill, a habit, a mindset that you develop, refine, and perfect over time. Think of it as going to the gym. You don't just wake up one day with chiseled abs and bulging biceps. It takes time, it takes consistency, it takes sweat and tears. Day in, day out, you push a little harder, lift a little heavier, run a little longer, and slowly but surely you see results. The same applies to discipline. You don't just decide to be disciplined and wake up the next day as a new person. It's a journey. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards a larger goal. It's about perseverance and resilience. It's about falling 7 times and standing up 8. Remember, every step you take in the direction of discipline strengthens your will and brings you closer to your goals. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and achievements. It's the unseen force that fuels the relentless pursuit of success. It is through discipline that we set our foundation, develop our habits, understand our psychology, and create real-life victories. It's the invisible muscle we build day by day, failure after failure. Remember, the journey won't be easy. You'll grapple with failure, face down temptation, and fight against complacency. Discipline is tough, it's relentless, but it's the most rewarding journey you'll ever embark on. Your journey towards discipline starts now. Discipline, it's not simply an end goal, it's a daily commitment, a chosen path. It's found in every decision we make, every habit we cultivate. It's rising early, resisting temptation, facing challenges head-on. Ready to step onto this path to wield the power of discipline. It's a journey lacking ease, speed, or smoothness. Yet it's the sole route towards genuine success and fulfillment. So inhale deeply, focus your aspirations, and take that first step towards this transformative force. Discipline is patiently waiting, ready to completely reshape your life. It may be tough, the path winding and steep, but the reward is unmatched. It's the promise of a life filled with achievement and a sense of satisfaction that is unparalleled. So, are you prepared to embark on this journey? To let discipline guide you towards a life rich in success and fulfillment? Start your journey of discipline today, and let it guide you to a life of success and fulfillment. Subscribe for more inspiring content and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message today.